Hello students, welcome to Amity e-tutorial. This is Sheila Mishra. Today we will discuss two topics, random and raster scan devices and also graphics software and its standards. So the content today we will discuss about random and raster scan system, graphics input devices, graphics software and standards. So what is raster scan system? Hardware architecture of raster scan system is shown in this figure. In addition to the general purpose CPU, a special purpose processor called a video controller or display controller is used to control the operations of the display devices. In this figure, the architecture of raster scan, it consists of display controller, CPU, video controller, refresh buffer, keyboard, mouse and CRT. The display image is stored in the form of ones and zeros in the refresh buffer. The video control reads this refresh buffer and produces the actual image on the screen. It will scan one line at a time from the top to bottom and then back to the top. So here in this architecture, frame buffer is not allocated dedicated memory, system memory and frame buffer share to the common memory area. The buffer can be anywhere in the system memory. Video controller reads the command from the frame buffer and draw pixel accordingly. So here in this video controller, figure shows another variation of raster scan system. Dedicated memory area is allocated to the frame buffer. Video controller is given direct access to frame buffer. This organization can render scene quickly because video controller do not have to put request on the system bus to read intensity value from the frame buffer. In some system, origin is set at bottom left location of the screen. X coordinate increases from left to right and Y coordinate increases from the bottom to top. In some system, origin is set at top left corner. Y coordinate increases on moving from top to bottom. Intensity value from frame buffer is retrieved from current XY location. After painting each pixel, X register is incremented by 1 and the process is repeated until X value hit to the X maximum. After processing all pixels on current scan line, content of X register is set to 0 and Y is incremented by 1 and video controller processes the scan line in the same way. Refresh rate is 60 frames per second. Here in this discussion, we assume that the origin at the top left of the corner of the screen. In high quality system, use two frame buffers so that one buffer can be used for refreshing while the other is being filled. Then both buffers switch the role. This mechanism is useful in real-time animation because it does not waste time in reloading the buffers. Difference between random scan and raster scan system. In raster scan, electron beam scan entire screen to draw a picture, while in random scan, electron beam scan only the part of the screen where picture information is present. Raster scan is low resolution, random scan is high resolution. In raster scan, picture definition is stored as a set of discrete intensity of value in frame buffer, while in random scan, picture definition is stored as a line drawing command in a display list. Raster scan system, intensity value is sorted for each pixel, while in random scan, system is designed to display line, it cannot display realistic scene. While in raster scan, pixel location is of a screen to use draw an image, while in random, mathematical functions are used to draw an image. Other differences are raster scan system is cheaper while random is costly. Scan conversion is required in raster while scan conversion is not required in random. Video controller is required in raster while random it is not required. Used to display dynamic scene, used to display static scene in random. Scan conversion hardware is required in raster while it is not required in random. Refresh rate is independent of number of objects seen, while in random, when number is primitive or too large, random scan devices flickers. Graphics input devices are keyboards, mouse, trackballs and spaceball, joysticks, data gloves, digitizers, image scanner, touch panel, light pens, voice system. Now we will talk about the graphics software and standards. Graphics software is classified into two categories, general programming package and a special purpose applications package. In general programming package, they are like a programming language. They contain rich set of graphics function. Such graphics package allow to draw some primitives, fill the color, set of intensity, apply transformations, etc. While in special purpose application package, by contrast, application graphics package are designed for non-programmers. So users can create required graphics without worrying about underlying concepts. The interface to the graphics routine in such packages allow users to communicate with the programs in their own terms. Examples of such applications are CAT. Graphics standard. The primary intention of standardization of graphics software is probability. The packages are designed with a standard graphics function so that they can used with a different hardware system and used in different implementations and applications. The GKS graphical kernel system was developed to adopt the first graphics software standard by the International Standards Organization ISO. Another graphics standard developed and approved PHIGS, Programmer's Hierarchical Interactive Graphics System, which is an extension of GKS. It provides improved capabilities for object modeling, color specification, surface rendering, and picture manipulation. Subsequently, an extension of PHIGS called PHIGS Plus was developed to provide 3D surface shading capabilities. PHIGS does not provide a standard methodology for a graphics interface to output devices and does not specify methods for storing and transmitting pictures. CGI Computer Graphics Interface System provides the standards for device interface, and the CGM Computer Graphics Metafile System specifies standards for achieving and transporting the pictures. So students, we have discussed here random and raster scan device, and also we discussed about the graphics software and standards. Thank you.